Okay, so I got all the 9 posts done, the sonotubes in and leveled and backfilled and covered with some plastic and a piece of wood so that it doesn't fill up with water. And this is the muddy rain that I have the privilege of working. And this is what it looks like from my perspective. I'm completely soaking wet, and my boots here, they fit right in with the mud. So yes, I know that I'm not always around, but this is the kind of stuff that I do for the family, out of my love for the family. So yeah, I may not be around, but that's mostly because I'm out here working in miserable conditions sometimes and doing what needs to be done so that our family can have a wonderful, wonderful place to live and a good, solid, strong foundation and a consistent life with no worries, as far as I can tell, or as far as I can help it. So yes, I'm not around because I'm here working to do things for the family.